Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 11th standard mathematics, chapter number 1, continuation of exercise 1.2. Now problem number 8. Let A that is equal to A, B, C, the set in roster form. What is the equivalence relation of smallest cardinality on A, and what is the equivalent relation of largest cardinality on A? Smallest cardinality and largest cardinality for getting the equivalence relation. Okay, here's the set A. For finding the smallest cardinality and the largest cardinality, first you have to find out A cross A. A cross A. For finding A cross A, I am writing once again A. Then only it will be easy for you. A, B, C. Okay. A cross A, that is equal to A comma A, A comma B, A comma C. Write inside brackets A comma A, A comma B, A comma C. Then start with B. B comma A, B comma B, B comma C. B comma A, B comma B, B comma C. Then CA, CB, CC. C comma A, C comma B, C comma C. This is A cross A. Therefore, the first one, the smallest cardinality on A which satisfies the equivalence relation equals, since we have three elements in the set A, you have to write A comma A, B comma B and C comma C. What are all the three elements in the set A, B, C? The smallest cardinality on A which satisfies the equivalent relation is A comma A, B comma C, B comma B and C comma C. How it is? Listen. We can go one by one. First reflexive, right? A is related to A. A comma A is related to A and B is related to B, C is related to C. Since we have three elements in the set, all the three elements are there here. See, we have three elements in the set A, B, C. We have three pairs A, B, B, C, C. What it satisfies? Reflexive. Now we can go for symmetric. Symmetric, A reverse is A, B, B reverse B, B, C, C reverse C, C. That is also satisfied. Now you can go for transitive. For transitive, I take A comma A for two times. This is for your reference. A comma A. Instead of B comma C, I take A comma A. See, continuity is there. Correct? Continuity is there. So what is a resultant? A resultant, that is A comma A. That is also in the set. Okay, all the three satisfied, therefore it is an equivalence relation. So reflexive, symmetric and even transitive. So this is the smallest cardinality on A which satisfies the equivalent relation. Okay, now we can go for the second one. This is the first one. Second one, the largest cardinality on A which satisfies the equivalence relation. That is very simple. A cross A. That is a universal set. That is universal set. We have taken that entire A cross A, what it is called? Universal set. We can verify whether it is satisfied or not. It has to be reflexive, it should be satisfied, symmetric, it should be satisfied, even transitive. Then only we can say there is an equivalence relation, right? Okay, listen. We have A, B, C in the set. So A comma A must be there, B comma B is there, and C comma C also there. Therefore, it is reflexive. Now we can go for symmetric. A comma A reverse, A comma A only. A comma B reverse, B comma A, here it is. A comma C reverse, C comma A, here it is. B comma B reverse, B comma B only. B comma C reverse, C comma B, here it is. And C comma C reverse, C comma C only. So all satisfied, therefore it is symmetric. Now we can go for transitive. Transitive, I take these two pairs, A comma A comma B. Why I am taking these two pairs now? Because here ends with A, here starts with A, continuity is there. The resultant one is A comma B. A comma B, here it is. So I take one more pair, A comma C and C comma A. Because here ends with the C, here starts with the C. So continuity is there. So what is the resultant? A comma A, that is also there, right? If you need one more example, I can take that one. I take a B comma B and B comma C. Here ends with B, here starts with B. So continuity is there. So what is the resultant? B comma C, that is also here. So for every A comma B, B comma C belong to A cross A comma C also belonging to that A cross A. Therefore, it is transitive also. So all three satisfied: reflexive, symmetric, and even transitive. We can say that is an equivalence relation, that is the largest cardinality on A. So A cross A over. So what it is called? Remember, that is an universal set. So problem number 8 is completed. I'll be teaching that next problem, problem number 9, in the next video. Thank you, children.